For those who don't know, Speaker Lenges, before he came here, became the Speaker. He had 15 years term with the United Nations. In those 15 years, he served so well that when his term ended, he thought he had retired from the United Nations. But 2 months ago, Lenges was called by the United Nations to serve the United Nations in a bigger capacity, in a high-profile office, and in a more attractive position for our country and for our county. I want to thank Speaker Lenges. It was the first day we received that information. He contacted me and we had to inform our entire team from the work. I also want to thank these people because from that day we started working on whether Lenges should remain here or we should go to the United Nations. We asked Lenges that for every information that we get from the United Nations, he should share with us. I want to thank him because he's shared every single bit of information he's received from the UN for the last 2 months. We got the last information last night, and we concluded that the kind of package, the kind of profile, the kind of service that we can offer to our people at the United Nations is more important than giving people of the country. Our people come first, and this position serves our people better. That is the first part. The second part, we realized that Lenges is the only person who has an offer from the United Nations. He's the only person who is qualified to take that job. If we lose that job, nobody else will take it. In fact, it could even go outside Kenya. So the best way for us is to let Lenges go, because I think we have so many people who can be speakers at all of us. So that is the decision we've reached as a team, that Lenges should go to the United Nations. He will help us, he will work with us in the process of getting a new speaker. That is the decision this whole team has made together with me. I want to thank Lenges for taking it. I want to honor him for the service he offered to our community, and he offered to our assembly, and he offered to our people. We will forever remember the kind of service he did. We have agreed to release you to go represent us on our organization. We will work with you, and you will work for us even when we are not in this country. That is the decision our team has reached after looking at it. We've always advocated and we've supported as leaders any upward mobility of any member of our society. Today and even tomorrow. When Roldepe got an upward mobility to become the CAS, we accepted. We would have loved to have Roldepe work with us here to deliver on our mandate on agriculture. But we thought it's better to have Roldepe at the CAS position, then you can always look around and get one of us to do this. That is the same concept we are doing today on Lenges. So we want to thank Roldepe for the service we offered to our people. We want to thank Lenges for the service we offered to our people. But we find that we can serve our people better at those positions as we look for those people who replace them here. We will not stop there. Even tomorrow, if we get somebody else within our team here who is wanted someone who will offer people a better service somewhere, we will let them go and we will look for somebody within this group of people.
Sio rahisi kuwasha kaunti wetu. Nimefanya kazi na gavana wetu na assembly wetu na wasamburu wote wa county government vizuri sana. Kama sio hawa, mimi nilikuwa nimesema hata siendi, washa nikae tu. Kazi yangu ilikuwa mzuri. So mtu asiseme ati mimi naenda kwa sababu nimekosana na mtu. I think kama iko ile kazi nimefanya kwa maisha yangu yote, ile enriching ya kusaidia community na kuleta watu karibu, ni kuwa speaker.
Tuliweza kuamua kuwa ile kazi Lenges anaweza tufanyia tukiwa community ya Samburu na tukiwa Kenya mzima ni muhimu sana katika UN kushinda kuwa speaker hapa. Atasaidia sisi sana kupata profile kama Samburu County katika UN. Atasaidia Kenya kupata profile katika UN. Na sisi tukaona tukiwachilia hiyo position iende, hakuna mtu mwingine Msamburu atatoa na labda tutakosa hiyo position hata wa Kenya.
Ile maneno ambayo tumeona jana kwa hiyo barua ambayo tumeona ya speaker wetu, tumeona ni mambo mazuri kwa watu wetu. Tutapata usaidizi, tutapata mkono mwingine ya kusaidia watu wetu tukiwa huko, na pia hapa tutaendelea kupata spika mwingine ambaye atafanya kazi pamoja na leadership ya county
kuweza kwenda kuendeleza UN mission in Juba, Southern Sudan. I think it is a privilege for Samburu. Na ni vizuri wote tuchukue kwa uzuri na kumshukuru Mungu kwa sababu pia imetupea nafasi ya kucreate ama ya kutengeneza nafasi zingine za kazi kwa Wasamburu nje ya county na ndani ya county.